Good morning, Dave Johnston here with Day Trade the Markets. It's just 5 after 10 in the morning. This is Tuesday, September the 12th, 2017. I'm on Pacific time, so it's a little after 1 o'clock Eastern time. Just been filled long here in the emini Nasdaq. This is a 2-minute chart of the December contract. I'm trying to also get long back down in here a little bit lower. I have actually gone ahead here and let me just tighten this up a little bit just so you can see the whole day. I put this blue square around here, and the reason I did that was that we have been in an uptrend since the down move that we had um, last week. We had a big down day on Tuesday, consolidated within that range basically for the rest of the week, and then moved up early this week, well, yesterday, and then today with a higher open. We did try and sell off, so I was trying to get long here sometime today, looking for fairly good confirmation of rejection of selling. So we've had a lot of this consolidation in here because you have a good down move like that and you make a low. Always take a look at where that last wave of selling started right here. You can see it tested it right to the tick here and also tested the low right here, the current low of the day here. So a lot of sideways stuff. We did move above it here, but we came back inside with a good selling bar. You can see the red bar there. Red is good selling. You can even see this good selling here. Kind of paused here. It did have a bit of follow through, but then came back, tested the high natural area of a barrier, and then it moved above it in here. So I'm really anticipating a movement that's going to stay above this block of consolidation, which is why I have another buy limit order in here at 94.75. So that's kind of the lay of the land at the moment. Hopefully it'll pull back for that. If not, we'll just see. I'm going to go ahead and put in a sell limit up here in case we get a spike. It's going to appear to 96.5. So I'm going to put it at 156,150 as a first objective, just for half of the current two contract trade. That'll give us a nice 5-point profit. So that's really the lay of the land at the moment. I'm going to put my sell stop in just a little bit. I need actually to increase that to 4 contracts. So I'll put it down just, let's see here, just a little bit below this last dip in here, which got down to 93. So I'll put it at 92. So I'll put a sell stop in for, I need to make that 4 contracts. So sell stop at 4, because if it does dip, it'll come back down and fill us here for the other 2. So that's the lay of the land at the moment. Hopefully we'll get more up movement or a pullback and then some more up movement. So that's really where we're at the moment. I'll pause the recording and pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, just restarting the recording here. We're getting close to 11 o'clock my time. The market has come up, and I had only put a limit in there to sell 1, but as you can see, it did come down and fill us on our other 2 contracts. So I'm going to go ahead right now. I had to step away, so I'm going to go ahead and put in I'm going to sell 1 right here. Because that other order was at 61.75, so I'll just put that again in there for 61.75. So we got filled on that. So we've been filled 2 at 61.75, 6,001.75 I should call it. So that's right there. Put that marker in there. So we've now exited half the position at that price. And then what I'll do here is I'm going to go ahead and put a stop in just a little bit below this last dip right in here where the market got down to 6,000.25. Oh, there, we're just going to hit it, and I haven't even had a chance to move it. So I will go ahead and do that right now. And we'll just have to, I'll just put it right in here at 59.75. So I need to move this. That'll lock in 2 points on the second 2 contracts. That's what happened. Okay, we just got filled on that. So the trade actually worked out quite well. It did come up and hit into our expected area of resistance up in here. So we got filled at 6 points on the first 2 contracts and 2 points on the other 2 contracts. Of course, our average price was down in here. So that's really it for now. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@daytradethemarkets. So That's it for now, and we'll see you next time.